Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, November 21st, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. In the room here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities. We had 4 really nice winners. One we had to get out of because we didn't get profits before news came up. We were, either break even if somebody had to add, or just lost a couple ticks on the trade. And I'm going to go through everything really quick here. We got involved here in the ES with an understanding trade, and I told everybody the crude news was coming up. And usually the crude news doesn't really affect the ES that much, but we still couldn't take really that chance. We got long on an understanding trade at 66 on the 1027 candle, and I said, look, we're close to the news. It's going to have to go. If it doesn't go right away, you're just going to have to get out because, we can't be sitting in it through the news. So that's what happened. It was bouncing around. Some people took 66. Some people got a little bit better entry, so they didn't have to add. It just bounced around there, and like I said, some people either got to break even, or or they just lost a tick or two. And then the news came, and sure enough, it kind of washed down there a little bit. But that was fine. That was here. And then we hit it again later on in the morning. We actually got in lower, 65.75, and that was on the 1112 candle, and that one made up over 5 points, almost 6 points, 5.5 points, and that was a really nice trade there. And then crude, I called an understanding trade long, 79 at 11:33 Central Standard Time. That trade went up to the target of about 35, and it actually went past it, pulled back, and then literally like leveled out right at that target that I had there. So it just overshot it a little bit, made one more push. Most people were out around there, but it was a 60 more tick trade, 80 to 30, at least 50 ticks. It went much further than that, but that was a beautiful, beautiful trade, and it was straight up. I mean, you'll see here if you look at the green candles. I mean, there was just no pulling back. Then in the Nasdaq, I called an advanced OR trade, and this was a beaut. I mean, this trade was just a beautiful trade. The candle on 933 stopped at 38.75. Told everybody that it might want to test 44.75. I really didn't want people to be in a situation where we might have to add onto the position at that level. Just because of the way we take the trade in the call room. So we let it come up a little bit, and people were short anywhere between 42 and 43.50, and it just dropped. I mean, just my first major target was around 22, and then I told everybody if they got below there, we're going down to 66.10, 66.02. But again, there was a lot of people that were not in at that point because the trade went literally from, let's just call it 40, almost 45. It literally went down, well over 250 ticks or so. But again, not everybody got all that, of course. Like I said, major target was 22. I said if they close below 22 for more than a candle, we're going to go down to 10. So, people got what they got, but it was a beautiful trade. And then we got long on an understanding trade. I called it on the 1112 candle. We got long at 28.50. And it just went up. I called 45 as the target, and that's where it went, and that's pretty much where it stopped. And in fact, it never went above 45. So it was just a beautiful trade. 60 ticks or so. Beautiful trade there. So, we did pretty good today. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. No, I'm sorry, we're not coming back tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday. We'll be back on Monday, Thursday, Friday off. I want everybody to have a great Thanksgiving. Check out our website. Check out our free trial. There's no credit card required. 10-day free trial. You can see what we do in real time. You can ask questions. You can get analysis. There's a lot of analysis that goes on even when we're not in trades that people find useful. So again, everybody be safe. Have a great holiday, and we'll see everybody back on Monday.